Top 5 differences between Agile and Waterfall project management styles. 1. Agile promotes iterative progress, while Waterfall follows a linear, sequential approach in projects. 2. Waterfall offers high predictability, Agile embraces change and adapts throughout the project lifecycle. 3. Agile allows faster delivery with continuous releases, whereas Waterfall delivers only at project completion. 4. Waterfall suits projects with clear, fixed requirements, Agile works well with evolving, flexible needs. 5. Agile fosters collaboration and flexibility, Waterfall emphasizes thorough documentation and upfront planning. Consider which project style best fits your unique needs and goals. For more information, please visit www.avigma.com.